The next sonic screwdriver in my collection is a custom design based off of the 3D rendering work by a gentleman from down under who goes by the name of Teletran. This is the sonic in its completely closed form. The front end is extended by rotating the bottom. The interior works both on a screw drive to extend it and also has a spring-loaded section as well, revealing some of the interior brass detailing. I'll bring it out to full extension now. Helps if I turn it the right way. The action on this is very smooth because the bottom is inserted in a ball bearing arrangement. It works on a threaded shaft for the rotational portion. There we go. It doesn't have a stopping clutch, so it can actually be rotated to the point where the top end will come all the way out, which is very handy for maintenance. I'm able to take this piece down into several parts, so that way I can clean the moving parts for dust, re-lubricate the threaded area if needed. The piece is made of machined aluminum, brass, clear acrylic, and the black part is machined Durlin. This piece, as far as I'm concerned, is the bridging appearance between the classic sonic screwdriver and the modern series sonic screwdrivers. And there you have the Teletran style sonic screwdriver.